Hello everyone, welcome back to the surgical canvas. Today we will be discussing a rotation flap by taking example of a cutaneous horn on a scalp. For the scalp lesion, a rotation flap is a very good flap. Let's take this example. We will first mark this cutaneous horn and enclose it in a circle. Then we will enclose this cutaneous horn in an isosceles triangle with base A, B and apex at point C. We will make the isosceles triangle such that this angles at C point is maximum 30 degree. Now we will measure this base of the triangle as X and we will extend this AC line about C centimeter further. Then we will reach this point D. Now this point D will serve as a pivot point upon which we will draw an arc and we will do the rotation of the flap. So for making an arc, we slightly make a larger arc at point B so that when the flap is raised, it properly sit at point A. So we will start this arc diagram by taking point D as base and we will draw this arc. This length of the arc should be 5 to 7 times the base of the triangle. We can maximum reach the diagonally opposite point of A while drawing the arc. Now we will raise this flap. We will discard this affected tissue and we will raise this flap and we will do the rotation of the flap. Sometimes the flap is not adequately inset, so we can give a back cut. But the disadvantage with this back cut is that vascularity will be compromised when we will give the back cut. So to avoid this condition, we can also give a Burroughs triangle, which will not decrease the vascularity and will not affect the flap. The final stitch line will be this. Here will be point C, here will be point A and point B which will merge, and this will be the arc. Thank you.